Hey there, James from Livestorm here to share with you some information about an upcoming live workshop we're hosting for our community members. So you're using Livestorm, your event went well. Now you want to seamlessly move your registrants from event A into event B. Or maybe you just want to bulk import your registrants from another source. We've got you covered. Manually handling registrants can be frustrating and time consuming, but with the right tools and the right scripts, you can automate this process in just a few clicks. Register for our free work session and we'll walk you through step by step on how to move your registrants between events and how to bulk import from another source. You'll get access to our script, workflow suggestions, and get expert guidance. So if this is something you're interested in and you want to save time when managing your events, register now, we'll go through it together and help with any questions you have along the way. Or you can just tune in and listen. Look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for now. Bye.